Speak. He speaks English well. She speaks to her teacher. She speaks to her teacher. Talk. They talk every day. She talks with her friend. She talks with her friend. Say. He says hello. She says the answer. She says the answer. Tell. He tells a story. She tells the truth. She tells the truth. Ask. He asks a question. She asks the teacher. She asks the teacher. Answer. He answers the question. She answers quickly. She answers quickly. Explain. He explains the lesson. She explains the problem. She explains the problem. Describe. He describes the place. She describes the picture. She describes the picture. Discuss. They discuss the plan. We discuss the problem. We discuss the problem. Mention. He mentions the idea. She mentions the problem. She mentions the problem.